Hey guys, today we want to chat with you about open houses and how to turn them into prospective business. One of the first things we like to focus on is how to get accurate information.
Yes.
Instead of having a sign-in book or handing out flyers, we can use this piece of technology right here and ask for their phone number so that we can send them literally just an MLS link or any PDF flyers we have about the house. Offers an opportunity to get their accurate phone number right into your phone and give them a chance to stay connected with you through the open house. They can send you text right to your phone of any questions that they have.
I love it. It's been so helpful for us. And to take that one step further, for us, and I'll speak for you as well, it's not about getting every single person's information. It's about building really close relationships with a few people as they come through the open house. So in addition to getting their phone number and making sure that it's accurate, I like to put those really close relationships directly into my CRM so I can start them on an action plan that I know I'm not only following up with them immediately, but I'm following up with them consistently. And I'm adding notes in so I know the areas that they're looking at, the types of homes that they like, feedback that they had on that open house. So when it comes time for them to purchase, we have a little bit of a leg up from any other agent that they might be interviewing.
And something Shannon has just alluded to, but something I really want to bring home is it's all about relationships and really focusing on that person that walks through the door, not just getting your information out about how you can help them, but learning enough about them so that you can actually help them and provide value while they're there and build the rapport that allows you to keep in touch with them after the open house.
Now, open houses aren't just great for buyer leads. I've been really successful in getting seller leads as well. And there's a few different ways that you can do this. Of course, every agent has their own system. But for us, we really like to interact with the neighbors. Not only is it great to get your information out there and show them that you're going above and beyond for, the homes that you sell, but it's also great for safety. And that's something that we want to hit on as well. We never suggest being at an open house by yourself. We want at least 2 people there, and that could be another lender, a home inspector, a loved one, or another agent in your office, just to make sure that you have an extra person in case anything feels a little weird.
So stay tuned for one of our upcoming videos where we will be talking about relationships in industry, how it's good to have those and which ones to have. So stay tuned and we'll chat with you guys soon.